So in this video, let us solve this problem. The question is calculate the energy band gap of silicon at 450 degree Kelvin. So generally we know that temperature in Kelvin can be written like this: 273 plus centigrade. So here this can be temperature which can be room temperature. Suppose if room temperature is 27 degree centigrade, then temperature in Kelvin can be written as 273 plus 27. So this gives rise to 300 Kelvin. Now our question is we need to find the energy band gap at 450 degree Kelvin. So what we know, if temperature increases, energy band gap decreases. So there will be certain rate at which it has to decrease. So here in the given question it is mentioned that it is silicon. So for silicon the rate will be something like this. It will be in the range of 3.6 into 10 power minus 4 electron volt per Kelvin. This is the rate at which it decreases. As temperature increases, energy band gap decreases. So first what we know, the energy band gap at 0 degree Kelvin is 1.21 electron volt. Suppose if I am increasing the temperature from 0 degree Kelvin to 300 degree Kelvin, let us solve this. So the formula which is used to solve this is 1.21 minus 3.6 into 10 power minus 4 multiplied with temperature. So this is the formula which I am using. See here, 1.21 minus 3.6 into 10 power minus 4 multiplied with temperature. So here temperature is 300. So once if you solve this, you will get the answer as 1.1 electron volt. Therefore at 300 degree Kelvin the energy band gap Eg is 1.1 eV, 1.1 electron volt. Next, in our given question we need to find the energy band gap Eg at 450 degree Kelvin. So again the same thing, you need to make use of this formula. 1.21 minus 3.6 into 10 power minus 4 multiplied by 450 degree Kelvin. So the answer which I'll get is 1.048 electron volt. Therefore at 450 degree Kelvin the energy band gap is 1.048 electron volts. So better you consider this as equation number 2, this as 3, and at 0 degree Kelvin it will be 1.21. Let us consider this as 1. So if we compare 1, 2 and 3, you can observe at 0 degree Kelvin it is 1.21, whereas if I increase the temperature from 0 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin, so here 1.21 electron volt, from here it got reduced to 1.1 electron volt. Now if I increase the temperature from 300 degree Kelvin to 450 degree Kelvin, the value which I got is 1.048 electron volt. So from here you can say that as temperature increases, energy band gap decreases. So this is the rate at which it decreases. This is the rate, 3.6 into 10 power minus 4. Thank you.